Canada's mining sector is taking another hit. With a reported 425 layoffs coming at the Stornoway diamond mine in Quebec, mining employees are once again bearing the brunt of an ever volatile global precious metals market. Part of the challenge faced by those laid off Stornoway employees is that their employer has begun the process of placing the company under the protection of the Companies Creditors Arrangement Act in order to restructure its business and turn its finances around. This makes the situation for employees particularly perilous, as their employment future is put in doubt as the company focuses on securing the interests of its shareholders and the corporate elite. Rarely, if ever, do the employees of a Canadian company undertaking bankruptcy restructuring under the Companies Creditors Arrangement Act take a serious position in these scenarios, especially where those employees are not unionized. As for unions and unionized employees in Canada, I have serious issues associated with how unionized employees are being represented. However, that is not the subject of this particular video. Yet with the statutory protections that are afforded to employees, such as the laid-off Stornoway employees within the Companies Creditors Arrangement Act, they need to properly investigate and scrutinize their rights, which are all too often underappreciated and taken advantage of by their employers, especially when it comes to elements of a legal and technical nature. And it is the combination of highly technical and very specific legalities that is a major problem plaguing most Canadian employees, which is rarely, if ever, addressed during the course of their employment, and instead must be dealt with upon termination. Although here too it would appear to have evaded the technical understanding of far too many employment lawyers. If you have been laid off, especially in the rigorous and heavily demanding mining sector, you need to understand what you're entitled to, as there is considerable complexity that needs to be exposed, and mining employees typically being entitled to considerably more than what most Canadian mining companies are offering, especially when one understands where the payment obligation to the fired employee arises from. For those terminated employees, contact our law firm for a free confidential consultation. Thank you.